Okay, hello everyone, welcome again to our lesson today with teacher. So I hope that everyone enjoy with the lesson. Okay, yesterday. So today we're gonna study with our lesson that we continue with teacher today. I hope that everyone enjoy with your um, holiday. Mm, yeah, I forgot to ask you, how are you everyone today? Yes, I hope that you are okay and some of you fine. And some of you may be enjoying with your holiday with your family, right? Teacher too. Teacher have a great time with my family. So now let's start to our lesson today. And one look. Today we're gonna start our lesson two, and actually today we're gonna study lesson about the grammar a little bit. Okay, so the question that teacher would like to know is, what is it? Oh, what is it? This is the question that teacher asked you or other student in the class. Okay, so what is the answer that you have to answer? Yeah, so the answer here, it is a or and. So it is a or and. So according to the a noun. Okay, now teacher have question. So look at the one. Teacher have picture here, and then teacher gonna ask you. Okay, now everyone look at this. What is it? Everyone know it because this word we have learned already, right? Okay, what is it? Okay, yeah, it's a marker. Very good. So you have to answer. It is a marker. Very good. Okay, so here it is a marker. Okay. So one more. Teacher gonna ask you again, but the same question because teacher would like everyone to practice it. I want. What is it? What is it? We always use this in our school, right? In our class, when we study, we use this one because the lesson is about my school. So that's why teacher would like to ask you the lesson this here again. So what is it? You know it? Yeah, it's a ruler. Okay, very good. Everyone understands so well. Maybe everyone study hard, right? This one. It is a ruler. Very good. Okay, it's a ruler. Okay, ready? So one more. Teacher have picture. One more. Everyone. So everyone, can you tell me what is it? Yeah, you use when you have to make a pencil more shape. Okay, what is it? Yeah, you have to answer. When teacher asks you like, what is it? Oh, boy. Oh, girl. What is it? Can you tell me? Yes, it is a sharpener, right? Is it correct, everyone? Is it a sharpener? Yes, teacher. It's a sharpener. Okay. So this one, it's a sharpener. Okay. Thank you. So now next, one more, everyone. So look at teacher hands. Teacher have one more picture. What is it? Yeah? Yeah. We use this one for put the thing in the school, like bring to school, because we have to use that one, like pen, pencil, marker, ruler, sharpener in this one. So we call that. Yes, it's a pencil case, right? Is it correct? Okay, everyone know this one. It's a pencil case. Okay, everyone. Very good today. So now one more. Teacher have one more picture here. Everyone, look at this one. Okay, what is it? Did you know this? You always use this one to erase your mistake, right? Okay, when you write with the pencil and you have the mistake, so you want to erase it. What is it? Yes, it's an eraser. Very good, my dear. So it is an eraser. Okay, so today teacher have a 5 sentence, also 5 question also, because teacher would like to ask you to know how to answer, right? That's why. Okay, so now everyone have to repeat with me. So when you hear the question like teacher asks you, what is it? So the way that you have to answer is, it is or it's. Okay, one more. So it is. So teacher would like everyone to know it. Okay. Now this one. So it is. You can answer. We might be short. It's. Okay. You got it. So it is. We can make it short like this. It's. Okay. So if you want to answer with short form like this, it's. We pronounce it. So it's not it is, but it's. For example, it's a marker. It's a ruler. Okay. It's a sharpener. It's a pencil case. It's an eraser. It's just a little bit different because this one is it is the full sentence, but the short sentence is would be it's. The full sentence is it is. Okay, the short one is it's. So that's okay that everyone can answer with teacher, like teacher asks you, hello girl, what is it? You can answer, it's a marker. Okay, and what is it everyone? Yeah, it's a ruler. And this one, what is it? Yes, it's a sharpener. Okay, and this one, what is it? Yeah, you can answer with the full sentence like this. It is or it's. Okay, it is a pencil case or it's a pencil case. And this one, everyone, what is it? The last one. Yes, it is an eraser, or you can answer it's an eraser. So you got it? So today you're gonna learn about the question that you answer with the school thing. So I hope that enjoy in this lesson, and we all know how to answer with the question the teacher asks you, right? So I hope you enjoy with me. So thank you everyone. So see you again the next lesson. Okay? Humanity. Oh.